Jaha Bhagavato Pada Vaishnavera Stane Anta Asrayakara Chaitanya Charane Girivaradari Yasodhanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yasodhanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari 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 Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Yasodhanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yasodhanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Vanachari Yamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Sri Radhe 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 Jaya Radha Raseshwara Radha Raseshwara Sri Radhe Jaya Radha Raseshwara Radha Raseshwara Sri Radhe Jaya Gana Jaya Balaram Jaya Subhadra Devi Chakasudasana Jaya Gauranitai 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada 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 Jaya Srila Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Prabhupada 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 Jaya Srila Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Gurudev 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 Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudev 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 Jaya Jaya Gurudev Nitai Gara Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gara Hari Bol महाप्रभु की, श्री राधा रसिस्वादियों की, श्री राधा गोपाल जी की, श्री जगन्नाथ बलराम सुभद्रा देवी की, श्री गौरानिताई की, श्री पंचतत्व की, जय जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की, श्रील गुरुदेव की, इस्कॉन गुरु वृंद की, all glories to Srimad Bhagavatam, all glories to Srimad Bhagavatam, all glories to Sri Sri Guru and Sri Sri Gauranga, Nitai Gaura Premanande. Magyanatimirandasya Gyanangyana Salakaya Aksurunmilikanyena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamini Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Asatya Deshatarine. Sri Chaitanya Manobhisham Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantika. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Yuta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajakam Sagana Ragam Advaitam Sarutam Harijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Lalita Sri Sakamritam Pantakalpatarvyasya Kripa Sindhu Yadevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gaurapise Namaha. Nityanandam Aham Nami Sarananam Paramparam Harinamam Pradam Devam Avaduta Shiramani. Panchatattvatmakam Krishna Bhakta Rupa Swarupakam Bhaktavataram Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam. Nilachala Nivasaya Nityaya Paramatmane Balabhadram Subhayadrivyam Sri Jagannatayate Namah. Govardhanam Dharam Vande Gopalam Goparupinam Gokurutsavam Isanam Govinda Gopikapura. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinna Bandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanta Kanta Namaste Tapta Kanchana Gaurange Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sukhidevi Pranamami Hari Priya. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaurabhakta. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaurabhakta.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Vigrahaya Namo Sabi Sundaraya Tasmai Mahaprema Rasa Pradaya Sri Chaitanya Chandraya Namo Namaste Sri Chaitanya Chandraya Namo Namaste Sri Chaitanya Chandraya Namo Namaste.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Hare Krishna.
Hare
Prabhu
Krishna.
dan Mataji semua
Prabhu and Matajis
yang hadir pada
who attend the festival this evening in Pasaraman Radharaseswara
dalam
in
acara
the
Ratha Yatra pada sore hari
Ratha
ini.
Yatra Festival today.
Terima kasih banyak
So I would like to thank you all of you and all the management in Radharaseswara
yang telah memberikan kesempatan
who already give me opportunity
saya
to
untuk menyampaikan
speak some thing about
topik yang
the topic
berhubungan
about
dengan
who related to
pada
Ratha
sore hari
Yatra Festival in this
Jadi,
evening.
pertama-tama
So,
izinkan
first of all,
hamba terlebih dahulu menyampaikan pranam pada Sila Gurudev.
please give me permission
Semoga
to
atas karunia Sila Gurudev dan Prabhupada
take permission from my
dapat
Gurudev
melakukan pelayanan pada
and
sore hari
from
ini.
Srila Prabhupada so that I can
Jadi,
do nicely
banyak sekali,
sewa
cerita yang berkaitan
today.
dengan Lila Sri Jagana.
There is so many
Pada sore hari
story
ini saya akan mengambil satu cerita
related to Sri Jagannath Lila.
yang menjelaskan
So now I
makna
want to
dari
try
Ratha
to
Yatra ini
tell
sebagaimana
one
dijelaskan
story
oleh Sila Gurudev.
about
Pada
Ratha Yatra
suatu
as
ketika
my
terjadi
Gurudev
gerhana
already
matahari,
had spoken this Lila.
ya, di mana ketika terjadi gerhana matahari,
So one day when the
Maka
what is called sun eclipse,
semua penduduk,
eclipse, yeah,
para raja dan ya
all the citizens
datang ke tempat suci untuk
and the
menyucikan
king,
diri.
they
Nah,
all
ketika
come
itu
to
pula,
the
itu
what is the holy
namanya,
places.
Sri Krishna, Balaram,
And at the
dan
time,
semua keluarga
Sri
besar
Krishna,
beliau dari
Balaram, Subhadra, and
datang
all
dengan
family
naik kereta
from
ke
Dwaraka,
Kurukshetra.
they went to
Begitu
Kurukshetra
pula pada saat
by
yang bersamaan,
chariot.
para penduduk Brindawan,
And also
ya,
on the same
Nanda
time,
Maharaj, Yasoda Maharaj,
the
Yasoda
citizens of
Mata,
Braja
para
Bumi,
Gopa,
Brajawasi,
Gopi khususnya,
Nanda Maharaj, Yasoda,
seperti
Gopa,
Radharani juga
Gopi, Simata
hadir
Radhini
di
also,
Kurukshetra.
they also attend.
Jadi,
They also going to
setelah Sri Krishna
Kurukshetra.
meninggalkan Braja Bumi
After
ya,
Sri Krishna
dan
left Braja Bumi,
dijemput oleh Akrura,
and when
meninggalkan
he
Braja Bumi,
Akrura
menuju
came
Mathura,
to
dan
pick
setelah
him
lama di
to bring
Mathura,
him
kemudian
to
beliau
Mathura.
memindahkan kerajaan beliau ke Dwaraka.
Then after Mathura,
Sehingga
Sri Krishna
perpisahan
move
itu
his
menjadi
kingdom
semakin
to the
lama,
Dwaraka,
semakin terasa semakin mendalam.
and the inspiration from
Dan
Brajawasi,
para penduduk
among
Braja
Brajawasi
Bumi
and Sri Krishna,
Nanda
more
Maharaj, Yasoda Mata,
yeah,
ya,
more intense
para
like that.
Gopa, para Gopi khususnya Srimati
Yeah,
Radharani,
the Gopa,
selalu
Gopi,
terhanyut dalam
especially Srimati Radharani, they always absorb.
rasa perpisahan, kerinduan
They
yang sangat mendalam.
feeling inspiration.
Dan
feeling of
tentu saja
inspiration.
kesempatan untuk bertemu lagi di
And
Kurukshetra itu
The chance
adalah
when they
merupakan
got chance
ya,
again meet
pertemuan
Krishna in
setelah
Kurukshetra.
perpisahan yang cukup lama.
That's what is called.
Dan sebagaimana kita ketahui,
They meet
dijelaskan di
Krishna
dalam,
again after long separation in
Bhagavad
Kurukshetra.
Dharma Kshetri Kuruksetri Samaveta Yuyutsawa.
As mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre, Mamaka, Pandavasewa, Kim, Kurvata,
Dhritarashtra
Sanjaya.
berkata, "Oh Sanjaya,
Dhritarashtra said to Sanjaya,
setelah putra-putraku dan
Sanjaya,
putra Pandu
after
berkumpul di tempat
my
suci
sons
Kurukshetra
and the son of
dengan
Pandu, they
maksud
assemble
untuk
in
bertempur. Apa yang
Kurukshetra,
sedang mereka
they assemble
lakukan?
there
Jadi
they want to
di sini
what's called
juga dijelaskan bahwa
before war
dia sudah tahu
what
ya,
they are
Yustarashta
doing, what are they doing
dan
there.
putra-putranya itu berkumpul di medan perang Kurukshetra dalam untuk bertempur. Tetapi kenapa
Actually, the
Yustarashta
Dhritarashtra already
bertanya
know
lagi, apa yang akan
what
mereka
is the
lakukan begitu.
purpose of
Ya.
his son and
Jadi di
son
sini
of
dijelaskan
Pandu
bahwa
assembling there.
tempat
But again, he
Kurukshetra
asking
itu adalah
like
tempat
that.
suci.
And that
Dan tempat
mentioned
suci
there,
itu selalu
Kurukshetra
memberikan
is
kejujuran
holy
dan
place.
kemenangan bagi para penyembah murid Tuhan.
And
Ya, dan
Kurukshetra also
akan
mentioned
merupakan
that
bencana bagi
will give
para
what is
asura.
called victory to those devotee
Jadi
of
setelah
Lord
lama
Krishna.
perpisahan itu, ya,
So after long
dijelaskan,
separation,
ya,
is mentioning that
Jagannath Kshetra juga dijelaskan sebagai Wipralamba Kshetra.
in Jagannath Puri,
Ya.
Kshetra also called Wipralamba Kshetra.
Jadi
So
di Jagannath Puri,
in Jagannath
yaitu
Puri,
antara Sri Jagannath dan Sri Chaitanya
between
Mahaprabhu
Sri Jagannath and
ya,
Sri Chaitanya
bertemu
Mahaprabhu,
di sana.
they meet there.
Sri Jagannath adalah
Sri Jagannath is
hanyut di dalam kerinduan
ya, Sri Jagannath
kepada Srimati Radharani yang
feeling
disebut dengan Radha
what is called
Wirahawidura
Radha Virahabidura.
dan
He
Srimati
feel
dan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
inspiration from Srimati
walaupun dia
Radharani.
adalah Sri Krishna sendiri,
And also Sri
tapi
Chaitanya
beliau
Mahaprabhu,
adalah dalam
although
mood
he is
sebagai Srimati
Sri Krishna
Radharani,
himself, but
warnanya
his
juga
mood
sebagai
is
Srimati Radharani,
Srimati Radharani,
yang
and also
selalu
his
merindukan
color is like
untuk
Srimati
bertemu
Radharani,
dengan Sri Krishna.
and he also feeling
Jadi
inspiration
karena
from
itu,
Sri Krishna.
Jagannath Puri juga disebut sebagai Wipralamba
So
Kshetra,
therefore in Jagannath
ataupun
Puri,
pertemuan setelah ataupun
also
perpisahan.
that called
Ya,
Wipralamba
pertemuan
Kshetra,
dan juga
the place of
perpisahan.
separation. Yeah. But there they also meeting there after long separation
Kurukshetra adalah
between Mahaprabhu
Dharma Kshetri, adalah tempat
and
suci.
Sri Jagannath.
Karena itu
Yeah, Kurukshetra
semua
is Dharma Kshetra.
Yadawa ataupun
It's called
keluarga besar,
the holy place of
keluarga
Dharma,
besar Yadu,
Dharma Kshetra.
ya, pada saat terjadinya
When the eclipse,
gerhana matahari itu,
eclipse, there
atas
the
susunan
Yadu
dari,
dynasty,
ya, coincident of providence gitu, artinya atas susunan yang
by the arrangement,
disusun sedemikian rupa, ataupun
some
susunan nasib.
arrangement,
Ya,
they are
para
all
penduduk Raja
gathering
Bumi
there and
juga
meet
berkumpul
each
di
other.
sana, para gopa, para anak-anak gembala sapi,
Gopa,
ya,
the
para
cowherd boy,
gembala sapi, ibu-ibu, para
dan
remaja dan sebagainya, dari Braja Bumi.
the women
Dan juga
from
hadir
Braja
di
Bumi,
Atas kesempatan itu,
and
para
all the
penduduk
citizens of Braja Bumi,
khususnya
they come
para
there.
gopi bertemu
Especially-
dengan Prana Walabha. Ataupun
Especially the Kopi,
kekasih
they meet
pujaan
with
hati
Pranawalabha.
Ya.
Pranawalabha means
yaitu Tuhan penguasa hati
the
mereka
love of their
yaitu Krishna,
the most
setelah
love of
perpustakaan yang
their
sangat
most
lama sekali.
beloved.
Ya. Jadi pada saat itu ketika
So at that time,
Srimati Radharani
when
bertemu
Srimati
dengan
Radharani
Krishna,
she meet
Srimati Radharani
Krishna,
mengatakan,
Srimati
"Saya tidak
Radharani said,
senang melihat Anda dalam
he
pakaian
said,
asing seperti
I
ini."
don't like to see
Ya.
you with this
Ya, karena
type of
Krishna hadir di sana dengan pakaian kebesaran,
what is called
ya, sebagai
dress,
raja,
uniform
dua raka,
dress.
dengan segala
Because at the time
kemewahan.
Krishna dressed
Dan Srimati Radharani
like a king,
mengatakan,
looking
ya, saya
very
tidak senang
luxury.
melihat Anda dalam
with
pakaian yang asing seperti ini.
Srimati Radharani said, I don't
Tetapi
like
ya,
this type of
Braja
dress.
Bumi masih tetap seperti sedia kala.
Yeah. And
Ya.
also the Braja
Di sana
Bumi
ada Bukit Gordan, ada Sungai
is
Yamuna,
still like before.
ya, ada
There is a Yamuna,
hutan-hutan,
Govardhan, and also the forest,
ada semak-semak yang indah
and also
dan
the what is
sebagainya.
called
Mereka
Kunja,
mengeluh kehadiran
Kunja.
ada di sana.
and the
Dan
Braja
ketika itu,
Gopi, they
ya, Srimati
waiting you
Radharani
there.
bersama para
Yeah.
penduduk Brindawan ingin menarik, ya, Krishna,
And at that time,
kereta
Srimati
Krishna
Radharani
untuk
and the
ditarik
Gopis and the
kembali ke
Brajavasi,
Braja Bumi.
they want to
Yeah.
pull Krishna's
Jadi, di sini
chariot
juga dijelaskan oleh
will
Srila
bring
Gurudev
to
bahwa Sri
Brindavan.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ya,
So Srila Gurudev
menarik kereta dari
Gurudev
Kurukshetra
mentioning
ke
that
Brindavan.
like Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he pulled the
Ketika
chariot.
beliau bertemu dengan Sri Krishna di Kurukshetra,
That means
beliau
when
ingin
he
menarik
met Krishna
ya, Sri
in
Krishna
Kurukshetra,
untuk kembali ke
they
Vrindavan.
want to pull the chariot.
Jadi
They will
ketika
want to bring to
Ratha
Vrindavan
Yatra
again.
berlangsung, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu juga
When the
menarik
Ratha
kereta
Yatra
itu
festival,
dari
during
apa
festival
namanya,
Ratha Yatra,
dari
Sri Chaitanya
Nilacala
Mahaprabhu
ke
also
Sundaracala.
pull the
temple
chariot of Sri
Jagannath
Jagannath
to
from
Gundicha.
Sri Nilachala to Sundarachala,
Jadi,
from the
Nilacala
Mandir to Sri
ataupun
Gundicha Mandir.
Tanah Sri Krishna di Jagannath Puri itu adalah dibandingkan seperti Dwaraka.
Yeah. And the temple,
Sedangkan
the
Gundicha
Puri
itu
Jagannath Puri
dibandingkan
temple,
juga
Mandir,
dijelaskan sebagai
is
Sundaracala, itu
just like Dwaraka.
merepresentasikan Vrindavan.
And Gundicha or Sundarachala is
Nah, di sisi
representative
lain,
of
Gurudev
Vrindavan.
juga menjelaskan bahwa
Here, Gurudev
Srila
also
Prabhupada
mentioning,
menjelaskan
and
bahwa,
also Prabhupada also mentioning that
menarik kereta
pulling the chariot,
Jagannath
pulling the chariot of Sri Jagannath to Vrindavan.
Srimati Radharani juga menjelaskan bahwa
And also Srimati
bagi orang
Radharani
lain,
explaining,
ya, hati dan pikirannya mungkin satu, ya, bersatu. Tapi bagi saya bahwa antara hati, pikiran saya dan Vrindavan itu tidak ada bedanya.
Sri Bandarana said,
Karena itu Srimati
maybe
Radharani ingin menarik kembali
somebody,
kereta, ingin mengajak kembali
his
Krishna
mind,
kembali
his
ke
body
Vrindavan.
is different like that.
Dan
But
Srila
for
Prabhupada
me,
juga
my
mengatakan
mind, my body
bahwa
in Vrindavan is
ya,
one like that. So that's why I want
menarik
to
kereta
bring
ataupun menarik Sri Jagannath
to,
ke Brajabumi, artinya
I want to pull the
kita
chariot to
hendaknya
Brajabumi.
menarik Sri Jagannath ataupun Krishna
So that in that
untuk
way,
bersemayam ke dalam hati kita.
for us, we
Karena
actually
itulah
we want to
sebelum
pull the
Ratha
chariot
Yatra berlangsung,
to
itu
Sri Jagannath
ada,
to bring to our
perayaan
heart.
yang disebut dengan
Ya.
Gundicha Marjana.
That's why
Ya. Yaitu untuk
our heart
membersihkan
should
tempel,
be like
ya,
Vrindavan. And like
Sundaracala
yesterday,
ataupun
there is
Gundicha,
called Gundicha Marjana.
tempat
Gundicha
yang
Marjana is
akan di mana Sri Jagannath
they,
akan
Gundicha Marjana
berstana.
means they will cleaning
Dan
the
ketika
place,
Sri
the
Chaitanya
Gundicha,
Mahaprabhu
when
masih hadir di
Jagannath
Puri,
will stay there for some
beliau
days.
sendiri yang memimpin para penyembah
When Gundicha
Ya,
Marjana
untuk
was
membersihkan
happening,
Gundicha,
Sri
tempat
Chaitanya
Gundicha
Mahaprabhu
itu.
himself
Bahkan
leading
beliau
the
menggunakan
devotees
pakaian bagian
to
atas
cleaning the
beliau sendiri
Gundicha
ataupun
temple.
cadar beliau
And he used
untuk
his own
membersihkan
cloth, own dress,
altar
own
di
chadar
mana Sri
to
Jagannath
clean
akan
the Sri
berstana.
Jagannath altar there. When
Dan,
Jagannath will sit there for some
bersama-sama
days,
para penyembah bekerjasama
and also
ya,
accompanying
dengan
with
mengambil
some devotees.
ribuan galon air ataupun
They
periuk,
bring,
air
they bring thousands
dari,
of thousand of pot
dari
of water
kolam,
to
ya,
clean the
Narendra
temple.
Sarawara yang dekat
They collect
dengan
the water
Gundicha,
from Narendra Sarawara nearby
dan
Gundicha.
digunakan untuk membersihkan. Bahkan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
They use that water for cleaning the
mengadakan
temple.
perlombaan siapa yang mendapatkan
And also
debu
there is
ataupun kotoran yang paling banyak.
There is some
yang akan diberikan
competition.
hadiah seperti itu. Sehingga para penyembah dengan penuh semangat
There is some
yang membersihkan,
competition. Those
tempat
who
itu
can
dan menyiram
clean more,
galon-galon air
bring
sampai
dust
betul-betul
and
bersih
more
dan
cleaning like that. They will
suasana menjadi
they will
sangat
give
sejuk. Ya.
something like
Nah begitu pula
boon like.
ya Srila Gurudev dan Srila Prabhupada menjelaskan
So in that way also Srila Gurudev and Srila Prabhupada explaining Gundicha Mardana means when we clean our heart, to clean our heart from the contaminated from kama, kroda, loba, mada, matsarya, and all enviousness. So we have to clean our heart just like Gundicha Marjana.
Ataupun debu-debu yang mengotori hati kita.
Yes, this thing like Sadripu just
Karena
like
itu Srila Prabhupada
stones
menjelaskan bahwa
and
pertama-tama
dust
kita harus membersihkan hati
who
kita
contaminated
supaya
our
hati kita
heart.
begitu bersih, terbebas dari segala pencemaran dan kotoran.
So we have to clean
Sehingga,
our heart
ya, nantinya
that
kita dapat
become
menarik
pure
Tuhan Sri Jagannath ataupun Sri Krishna
and
untuk bersemayam di dalam hati kita.
after that we can
Jadi
pull
itulah makna
Sri Jagannath
filosofis yang dijelaskan baik
come
oleh
to
Srila
our
Prabhupada
heart,
oleh
who's
Srila
like
Gurudev.
Vrindavan,
Karena
and
itu Prabhupada
we
mengatakan
make
bahwa
Krishna sit in
kita
our
bisa
heart.
melaksanakan Ratha Yatra ini setiap hari.
And Prabhupada also
Ataupun
actually Ratha
yang
Yatra you
kalau
can
di
do
Puri
every day.
Ataupun di India pada umumnya mereka disarankan untuk melakukan khususnya di daerah Orissa.
Yeah, in
Mereka
Orissa,
melakukan
they do the Ratha Yatra festival once a year.
hari tikinya yang tepat,
And
yaitu
in the
kemarin dan hari ini. Ya.
what
Tapi
is
di
called the
tempat-tempat lain itu dilakukan kapan saja, di mana saja seperti itu.
yeah. Outside Puri,
Dan
we can
Prabhupada
do
juga memperkenalkan
whenever
Ratha-yatra ini
we can
di
do
dunia
every
barat.
day also Prabhupada
Ya.
said.
Diawali ketika
And
salah
also
satu
Prabhupada
murid dari Srila Prabhupada
in
pergi ke toko
Amerika,
antik di sana dan mendapatkan
yeah, when one of
arca,
Prabhupada disciple he
namanya,
went to one
Balaram,
shop, he saw
atau salah satu
he buying
patung Dewi
one
itu
deity
yang
of Balaram,
kecil, kemudian
small
beliau
Balaram,
beli itu dan kemudian diperlihatkan kepada
and
Srila
that
Prabhupada.
disciple, that Prabhu,
Dan setelah
he
diperlihatkan kepada Srila
bought that
Prabhupada, beliau
deity
mengatakan,
and he showed
ini
to
semestinya
Prabhupada.
ada 3.
And when
Ya.
Prabhupada saw
Jadi
Balaram,
kamu harus kembali lagi
and
di sana,
Prabhupada
pasti
said
ada lagi
there
di
is
sana.
another
Dan belilah
this is
itu.
actually 3 of them,
Ya, dan
another
beliau
2
kemudian setelah mendapatkan
you
itu, beliau menjelaskan ini adalah Tuhan
you collect
Jagannath
the another,
Balaram
yeah.
dan Subhadra
This
Dewi.
deity actually Jagannath Baladab
Dan
and Subhadra
kemudian
Devi.
setelah Prabhupada mendapatkan arca
When Srila
Jagannath
Prabhupada,
Balaram Subhadra Dewi yang kecil itu, beliau
they got the
memerintahkan murid
deities,
beliau Syama Sundar
yeah.
untuk
And he instruct Syama Sundar
mencari kayu
Prabhu
dan kemudian
to find
mengukir,
some wood
arca
and
Jagannath
to
Balaram Subhadra
to
Dewi.
what to make
Ya.
Jagannath
Dan
Baladab
setelah itu
Subhadra
selesai,
Devi from that
Prabhupada
wood. And after
mengajarkan
finish,
bagaimana murid-murid
after
beliau
that
untuk
finish,
melakukan
Prabhupada
Ratha Yatra
teach
pertama kali di New York.
his disciple how to
Dan
worship Jagannath,
ketika
how to do
itu,
Ratha Yatra
ya,
festival.
Di taman-taman di New York ada banyak bunga-bunga.
And
Dan
the
itu
time
dijaga
in
biasanya.
the park in New
Ya.
York, in
Tapi
some
malamnya,
park
hari sebelum,
there is
Ratha
many
Yatra,
flower.
para penyembah
So one
bergerilya
day before Ratha
memetik
Yatra,
bunga itu dan
some devotees
digunakan
they
untuk
collect
menghias,
from the park in the
uh,
New York
ketika itu belum
City.
punya kereta,
That time
jadi
they have
digunakan
no
truk,
chariot
ya,
yet. They don't
dan
have
menempatkan
chariot
arca
yet.
Jagannath di atas truk dan bunga-bunga yang dipetik
So
di taman itu digunakan
they
untuk
put
menghias
Jagannath Baladabasra in
kereta itu.
on the truck,
Ya.
you
Dan
know,
paginya
truck,
ketika polisi
and they
melihat
decorate the
taman
truck
itu,
with the flower.
bunga-bunga di sana sudah hilang,
So after
mereka heran siapa yang memetik bunga ini.
yeah,
Ya, ketika
after that the police they saw that
truk
there is
lewat
the lost
bersama
the
Jagannath
flower
dan
is
semua
lost in the
bunga ada
park,
di sana, mereka
and the
mengerti
police
bahwa,
found that
ya,
the flower
para
is
penyembah sudah
already in
mencuri bunga
that
di sana, tapi
chariot in the truck.
mereka tidak memasalahkan karena itu digunakan untuk pelayanan kepada
So they're not
Jagannath.
complaining. The police not complaining because
Jadi itulah
they know that
pertama kali
they use for
Prabhupada
worship
memperkenalkan
like that.
Ratha
So the
Yatra
police
ini
is not
di
complaining.
Amerika,
That is
dan
the first
kemudian
time
menyebar
when
ke
Srila
seluruh
Prabhupada
dunia. Ya,
do the
dan
Yatra
juga
Yatra and
sampai
now
kita
spread
di sini,
all over the world.
Ya, dan pertama kali kita juga, ya, karena saya belum tahu ketika itu masih
And here in this temple,
ashram
we also
di-
first
di-
time when we did
di
that.
Renon,
Yeah.
ya, ketika kami baru menikah, ya, Prabu Mahaksa yang menjadi pimpinan kami
Maharaj
ketika
explained
itu,
about
Srila
his
Prabhupada
lila
memberikan hadiah,
when
ya, arca
he married.
Jagannath Balaram sebagai
So
yang
one
kecil.
Prabhupada disciple
Itu.
called senior disciple of
Dan karena hanya
Mahaksa
mendengar
Prabhu
saja bahwa itu
give them
ada
Jagannath
Ratha
Baladab
Yatra
Subhadra
di Puri
Devi.
dan pernah mendengarkan kelas dari
We
Raja Pataka
they just
Barat dari
heard about
kaset
Ratha
beliau
Yatra, but they
itu.
never join. They
Maka,
never how to
ketika
do. They
kita
don't know that time
menyewa,
when
bus
in Bali.
dan
They don't know how to do.
mengiring Sri Jagannath Balaram Subhadra Dewi dengan naik bus bersama para penyembah ke Singaraja.
So
Ya,
they
dan
that time
melakukan
they do
perayaan di sana.
they rent one bus
Ya, dan
and they bring the
kemudian
Jagannath
setelah
Baladab
itu,
Subhadra and all devotee in bus
Kami
go to
memulai,
Singaraja.
kemudian
That is
mendapatkan
Ratha Yatra.
kiriman
Pas
kayu
Ratha
cendana
Yatra.
dari kakak kami yang ketika itu
Yeah, after
tugas
some time,
di apa ya, di
He said, "My brother,
Kupang. Yang terkenal
give
Kupang itu
me
adalah,
one
ataupun
sandan
timur
wood,
Kupang,
sandalwood,
cendana di sana.
yeah, sandalwood,
Dan
some
karena
block."
kita tidak tahu
Yeah.
waktu itu bahwa arca Jagannath harus diukir dengan kayu nim.
Yeah.
Ya.
At the
Tapi
time we
kita
don't know.
membuat
Actually,
arca
Jagannath
Balaram
supposed to
Subhadra Dewi
make
dari
from
kayu
neem
cendana.
wood, but at the time
Ya,
we make
sehingga
from
di
chandan
Renon
wood.
dulu di tempel kita di
And
Sagamona
our
juga
first
kita
temple in
memuja
Renon at that
Baranita
time,
dan Jagannath
we worship Gorintai and
Subhadra
Jagannath
Dewi.
Baladam Subhadra Devi from sandalwood
Dan,
deity.
kemudian, ya, setelah tempel ini berdiri,
And then
ya,
after long
Guru
period,
Maharaj
after this temple is built here in Radharaseswara, Sripat Chaitanya Chandra Maharaj, he brought Jagannath Baladev Subhadra from Orissa to this temple. That because the time we don't know how big our temple will be, how big the size of the deity. So Maharaj just bring small Jagannath. That time we just think maybe we can worship Mula Archa si Jagannath like that, about 3 centimeter, like 30 centimeter. So he brought Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Devi Sudarshan Chakra in front of us in the chariot. The deity is small. Like then after we install and Pranapratishtha the deities, Gauranitai, Prabhupada, Sri Radharaseswara.
Ternyata Arca Jagannath kekecilan begitu.
Then now the Jagannath is small if we compare to Radharaseswara and Gauranitai, big deities like that. One time the king of Puri came to this place with Sripat Bhaktiswara Damodar Maharaj, Sripat Maharaj,
bersama guru spiritual beliau,
and also the Raj Guru, the head pujari there, and he
supaya Sri Jagannath Balaram Subhadra Dewi itu sepadan ataupun tingginya,
and he tell us to make a bigger deity size of Jagannath Baladev Subhadra deity. So if we Radharaseswara, Gauranitai and big Jagannath will be matched like that.
Ditambahkan alas di bawahnya supaya tingginya.
So because at that time very small, though the king of Puri, they told us here to make like a Singgasana, so little bit high like that.
Dan mata beliau
si Jagannath is
tanpa kelopak,
very merciful.
Karena beliau ingin
his eyes is round like that without what is called
yang dipersembahkan oleh para penyembahnya.
So in that big eyes, just like what is called, he saw even very small offering or small sewa, he will see very big like that, because his eyes is like what is called Suryakanta.
Yang dilakukan oleh para penyembahnya dan juga oleh golongan orang dari manapun.
So he never discriminate.
Mereka
whoever and from wherever,
tanpa membedakan
maybe the people he will accept the offering like that. Even from some sector, maybe from Siwa, Siwaisma, Vaisnava, Buddhist.
Karena Sri Jagannath adalah Tuhan alam
because he is the Lord of universe.
Tuhan
he is
yang memberikan karunia kepada setiap jiwa,
he
kepada setiap orang.
is the Lord who will give his mercy to everyone.
Di Puri khususnya sangat sulit bagi masyarakat umum untuk bisa darsan kepada Sri Jagannath.
Now in Puri,
Hanya orang-orang
very difficult. The people from outside India to come to take darsan inside the temple.
Bahkan orang asing,
they not allow.
Kalau kita pun datang
The foreigners,
kadang-kadang masih kita berusaha dengan menyelinap seperti itu untuk bisa memperoleh kesempatan darsan pada Sri Jagannath.
So even now we hear Balinese, Hindu Balinese, he just hiding, they try to come inside. But once a year he will go out from his mandir. He want to give darsan to everyone. He is very merciful.
Maka karena tempat Jagannath Puri itu adalah,
and whoever come to Jagannath Puri, because Puri is Purushotama Kshetra, is the place of Sri Jagannath, who very kind.
Narada Muni menjelaskan kepada Gopakumar bahwa,
and Narada Muni explained to Gopakumar, whoever come to
segera mendapatkan
Jagannath Puri,
bertangan 4 seperti bahkan keledai pun
immediately they will get body four-hand
kakinya
body.
di Jagannath Puri,
Even a donkey, even a donkey like that, if he come enter and see Jagannath, they also will come four-hand.
Tapi malangnya kita sudah yang sering ke Jagannath Puri, ya.
But unfortunately, we many time we already come to take darshan, but still our hands still two.
Mungkin
We have
nantinya
two hands.
setelah kita pulang ke dunia rohani atas karunia
Maybe
Jagannath,
one day when we back home back to
masuk ke
Gadham,
Wisnu Loka,
when we
masuk
entering
Vaikuntha
Vaikunta or
Loka,
Swinuloka,
ya,
maybe at that time we
mungkin
can
di sana kita
at that time we
para
can
pejuang
get
mempunyai 4 tangan, ya,
four
sesuai
arm,
untuk
four
melayani
hand
Tuhan Sri Wisnu di sana.
to serve Sri Vishnu there.
Tapi kalau para
But
pejuang
if the
lebih maju
devotee
lagi, mengembangkan
they make
Krishna
advance, make
pulang ke
progress,
dunia rohani Kogoloka
and they
Vrindavan,
develop the Krishna
mereka
Prema,
akan
then
bertangan
they
dua seperti
develop Krishna
Krishna.
Prema, they will back home to Goloka Vrindavan.
bentuk
There
asli
they will
Tuhan
get
Yang Maha
two
Esa adalah
hand,
bentuk Krishna
not four hand,
yang bertangan dua.
because
Sedangkan
Sri
Wisnu
Krishna,
Narayana yang bertangan
the
empat
original
dalam ekspansi
Lord,
beliau, ya,
is
dalam tugas
with
beliau
two
untuk,
hands there.
ya, administrasi alam semesta ini, seperti itu. Jadi karena itu Jagannath Puri adalah
Therefore,
tempat yang
Jagannath
sangat
Puri
istimewa,
is the place,
dan
a
Tuhan
very
Sri
special
Jagannath
place,
juga
and
adalah
Sri
yang
Jagannath
karunia,
is also
ya.
very merciful.
Beliau melimpahkan karunia-Nya
He
kepada
gave
setiap orang tanpa
mercy to
membedakan.
everyone without discrimination.
Saita parana nata painu yata lagi madana dahani jurigenu. Ya, hari ini saya menemukan
Today, I found the Lord who the controlling my life.
melewati perpisahan
After
yang cukup lama.
we pass
Rasa
very
perpisahan
long
yang sangat
separation,
mendalam,
very deep separation,
karena rasa perpisahan,
Now,
kerinduan
because
perpisahan yang sangat mendalam,
very
saya
pang of
sudah
separation
seperti
from long
dalam
time.
keadaan sekarang.
Now I just like what is
Karena
called in the
ditembus oleh panah-panah dari
almost dead,
panah Dewa Asmara.
because the arrows
Jadi
of
ini
the
adalah
Cupid
pernyataan dari Srimati Radharani
is now
ketika beliau
piercing
bertemu
my
dengan
heart.
Krishna di
So this is what Srimati Radharani said when she met Krishna in Kurukshetra, when she with the Brajavastis.
Dan perasaan
So that
ini
way they want to
diekspresikan
pull,
oleh Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
and this
ketika
feeling
Ratayatra berlangsung.
also
Karena Sri Chaitanya
expressed by Sri Chaitanya
walaupun beliau
Mahaprabhu,
adalah Krishna sendiri,
when
tapi beliau
he
adalah dalam mood,
joined the
ya,
Ratayatra
dan
in
warna
Puri.
sebagai Srimati Radharani.
Though Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, but his
Kapan
color
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
and mood is
menarik
just like
kereta,
Srimati Radharani.
Beliau menarik kereta dari Kurukshetra. Karena itu Nilacala adalah Kurukshetra. Di mana
Just like
dan
Srimati Radharani pulled the chariot from Kurukshetra, so in that way Mahaprabhu pulled the chariot from
adalah sebagai Brindavan.
Kurukshetra. Nilachala is like Kurukshetra,
Ratayatra,
and
Sri Jagannath ataupun Krishna
Gundicha is just like Sundarachala or Brindavan.
ke Nilacala ataupun dari Nilacala ke Sundaracala.
From Nilachala to Sundarachala, from Sri Mandir to Gundicha, and also that mean from Kurukshetra to Brindavan. This is the tatwa, the confidential tatwa behind the Ratayatra. This is explained by Srila Guru Gurudev. So this is the tatwa or the philosophy behind the festival of Ratayatra.
Jadi
So
tadi sudah saya sampaikan bahwa
I already explaining,
Srimati Radharani,
especially Srimati Radharani,
dengan pakaian kebesaran itu,
when she saw Krishna in very luxury dress, he don't like that. She don't like that. She want to see the original form of Krishna, the Nawakishore form. Always fresh and young. His age is from 11 to 16. His age always fresh and never growing, just like become old like that. always young.
Selamanya.
And he's forever, just like 11 years, 12 years, 16 years, like that. And also in the mood happiness, in dancing natabara, because he's natabara. He is very expert in dancing. And he never stop. He always moving like that. Chancala or Chatula. What's restless in his form, uniform of Gopa Wesa. He's dressed in Gopa like cowherd boy.
Beliau mengenakan pakaian yang sangat sederhana.
Yeah, he using very simple dress.
Berwarna kuning.
And also some that is in yellow color. He is crooked in 3 places, bending in 3 places. Syama Sundara Tribanggala Lita.
Dia memegang seruling di tangan beliau.
He hold the flute in his hand, and that flute touching his lips. Yang is called Wenukara, Wenumurali Madana.
Dan ciri khas khususnya juga adalah
and the special symptom in his turban and his always a peacock feather is there. That is the form, the eternal Krishna in Brajabhumi. And all the paraphernalia in Brajabhumi,
ketika beliau melaksanakan lila beliau di Brajabhumi,
when he do his lila pastime in Brajabhumi with his cowherd boy friend, and also with the gopis of Brajabhumi, and he also playing in the bank of Yamuna River, under the Kandamakarana trees.
Ataupun taman-taman indah, taman bunga yang indah di Brajabhumi. Dan burung merak selalu bermain di sana.
And the peacock is called the bird also playing there. When Krishna playing his flute, and all the peacock will dancing in front of Krishna.
Burung merak itu dengan berbagai warna.
And also with so many color, very colorful of peacock feather is surrounding Krishna. When Krishna playing flute, they also dancing there. When he then with colorful of peacock feather, and that makes Krishna dancing more nice, more beautiful. When they heard the flute, the sound of flute of Krishna, they are very ecstasy in dancing. And as they would like to say thank you to Krishna, they give their feather to Krishna, and Krishna very happy accepting that, and he put in his turban, in his head, just like the dancer and who playing music. When the musician playing instrument very nicely, and the dancer also can dance very nicely. Also among the animals and the Lord Himself, there is connection. Not only in the form of human only, but animal also can do that as offering to the Lord.
Maka kita akan mengakhiri Jagannath Katha sampai di sini.
So, because
yang lain,
time is up now, we will finish here. Maybe next time we can again listen, hearing si Jagannath Lila. Jai Sisi Ratayatra Mahotsawa ki jai, Sisi Radha Siswarjo ki jai, Sisi Gauranitai ki jai, Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All glory to Srimad Devotee, all glory to Srimad Devotee, all glory to Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga Nitai Gaura Premanande Hari Hari.
Hare Krishna. Terima kasih banyak kami ucapkan ke hadapan Sriman Sundarananda Das Maharaj atas kelas dan lila Sri Jagannath ataupun rahasia di balik festival Ratha Yatra yang telah beliau sampaikan. Jadi acara selanjutnya adalah persembahan arati ke hadapan Sisi Jagannath Baladev Subhadra. Mohon para penyembah untuk bisa berdiri. Kita akan mempersembahkan arati ke hadapan Sisi Jagannath. Kami mempersilakan His Grace Dina Watsala Prabhu untuk bisa memimpin kirtan di hadapan Sisi Jagannath Baladev Subhadra.
Ada ya? Ada dengan ayah? Ini Krishna.
Karena Prabu Dina, Prabu Dina, silakan Prabu.
Kemarin ada.
Jaya Jagannatha, Jaya Jagannatha, Maladeva Jaya Subhadra. Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Nami